So what is Salesforce? Has someone mentioned Salesforce to you in the past, but you're not quite sure what Salesforce is, what type of products they sell? Well, by the end of this video, you'll be able to articulate exactly what Salesforce is and the types of products they sell and to what types of customers. Salesforce is a technology company. You all may be familiar with Google, Apple, Amazon, but why not Salesforce? Well, it's just simple. It's because Google, Apple, and Amazon, they all sell products to everyday people like you and me. So we're familiar with their names. However, Salesforce sells products directly to businesses. So what is it that they sell? They sell software. And when we say software, let's think about some software that you may use on a daily basis. It may be TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. These are all softwares that you use day in and day out. And within those softwares, you receive notification. Let's say someone that you follow, they may have posted recently. Well, the system will notify you and let you know, hey, you might want to check this out, and give you that notification so that you can log in and review. This is essentially the same thing and the same concept that Salesforce offers. However, they offer a different type of software to businesses. So think about a company called Bento Box Incorporated. They sell bento boxes in bulk to a variety of different customers. It can be local schools, companies, because they may have some type of luncheon that they'll need to have to buy these bento boxes, in bulk. And so they would also have a sales team. They may go to different businesses to see if they're interested in buying any of these bento boxes. And so a sales rep, they could go to many companies throughout their day. So they've had many conversations with a variety of individuals at these companies. So what would happen if they've had these conversations and they only have it in their head? Well, who's going to track the conversations and follow up with the company to see if they're interested at a later time? This is what Salesforce allows businesses to do. They allow them to store this information in one system. So when that sales rep goes to the next business, they can document. I've spoken with Susan, she showed some interest, but she was just not ready to buy right now. So once that's all logged into the system, he can set reminders. Reminders can be set for him to follow up with them again because they might be interested in the future. So as you can see, having this information stored in one central location will help businesses with their sales instead of having this information stored on sticky notes in their head or personal files. So let's just think about it. We might have closed the sale, so Salesforce can store this sales information. Well, what if now we have closed the sale and the customer, they might need some type of support. So if you think about it, when you have purchased something in the past and you might have signed up for a warranty, when you call in, you expect them to have your information stored regarding what product you sold. But what if companies didn't track this? What if they didn't have everything in one centralized system? And you called in and they don't have any record of your product that you purchased. That would lead to a very unsatisfied customer. And that's where Salesforce comes in to assist. All of this data, all of this information is stored in one system so that everyone in the company can see it. We've closed the sale. We've taken care of support. There's one more step that comes into play: marketing. Have you ever purchased products in the past and then you receive emails from companies saying, oh, I noticed that you've purchased this. We have a new product. If you buy this product, you'll get a discount. That's marketing. So those email notifications that you receive, those can come directly out of Salesforce. So this is a way for businesses to help their customers and get a full life cycle of their purchasing behavior, what they've done in the past, so that they can help support them in the future. So when you think about Salesforce and what Salesforce is, just remember, they sell software for businesses to help them have a better relationship with their customers by storing this data in one centralized database so that anyone in the company can see this information if required. So when asked what is Salesforce, you're now equipped with all of the knowledge to understand exactly what they are, what they sell, and who they sell to. If you know someone that still might be confused as to what Salesforce is, feel free to send them my video to help them understand.